Dwayne Wiggins here with American Financial's F&I University, and this is your tip of the week. Ancillary product sales have consistently been growing in the market and become a large part of our sales success. And one of those is very popular that we really have had success with is key replacement. Now, key is the perfect example of an ancillary product that's not prohibitive and can fit with all types of customers. It's the retail customer, it's the lease customer, or even the cash customer. So what's the key to optimizing key? Well, personalize the presentation is always one of the great things we need to do, but also knowing if they have previous experience with lost or damaged keys will set a great tone going forward. Start with getting some help from your sales team to do this. Have them do a trade evaluation, and during that evaluation, ask them, will you be providing us with both sets of keys and remotes today? If the answer is no, they're not, find out why. Did they drop it in the leg? Did they lose it skiing? Did they misplace it? It doesn't really matter why, you just need to know the reasons. Then have them note that response in the appraisal system or put it on that sheet that they fill out. This allows you to have the information prior to your interview, so it helps guide your discussion with that customer. So if they told you they only had one set of keys, what you have to do is you need to revisit it and say something like, I noticed that Jimmy said you only had one set of keys today. Will it be possible for us to get that additional set? You know, folks, the reason I ask why is that keys are so expensive to replace, we just always try to get them up front. Now, conversation changes if they said they had two sets of keys. Hey, I noticed that you gave Jimmy both sets of keys and remotes today. Just want to say thank you for doing that. They're just so expensive to replace. In fact, those new proximity remotes that you have on the one you're buying today, they're about $350 to replace, so be sure you take good care of those. By having two people at the dealership discuss keys and fobs during the process, it will emphasize their importance, allow us to discover history with lost or damaged keys, and provide them with the awareness needed to make a good decision when you discuss key. So remember, the key to key is personalize your presentation based upon previous experience. And that's your tip of the week. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, please subscribe to the American Financial YouTube channel.